Still using a slow PC in 2026? Yeah, that's a problem. Now imagine opening a high-end cloud PC with a GPU running smoothly without paying anything upfront. No complicated setup, no long waiting, just log in and start using it. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact setup step by step, and more importantly, the small mistake that causes most people to get stuck before they even connect. Miss that part, and this won't work for you. If you like discovering tools like this, you'll want to stick around for what's coming next. Let's get into it. Now jump onto Google, search for Better GFN, and open the very first link you see. That's where the real setup begins. Some people also know this platform as 2Z2 Cloud Gaming. It's basically a free GPU-powered RDP you can use daily over time. Yes, seriously. With it, you can launch your own cloud gaming PC, run games like GTA 5 Enhanced Edition, and even use the machine for editing, productivity, or rendering tasks on powerful Azure-grade hardware. A pop-up will appear with two options. The first option is for cloud gaming, and it's a high-performance GPU setup. You can play high-budget, high-profile games produced by major studios without needing powerful hardware on your own device. I'll go deeper into this cloud gaming option in the next video. The second option is the Virtual IT Lab. Click on that. This is what we're using, and it's where we'll get our free RDP. Now, you'll need to create a free account. It's very simple to fill out, so go ahead and do that quickly, then we'll move on. Sometimes, registration may not go through depending on your network or location. If that happens, try using a different device or connection and then log in on your PC once it works. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard like the one you're seeing here. You'll notice two main sections, your total playtime, and the Create My VPS button. At this point, your account is ready to generate a new VM. Every hour, you can claim free an hour of playtime. When creating your first VM, you'll be given two options. 1. Ubuntu 25.0 for Linux VM, ideal for testing Linux builds or development work. 2. Windows 2022 Gaming VM, best for gaming and general software. Both options come with identical hardware specifications. Most users will go with Windows 2022 since it supports all major game launchers, DirectX 12, and NVIDIA DLSS features. Choose your OS, Windows 2022, and click Create My VPS. The platform will start provisioning your system, usually within a minute. Now, while the service is free to use, there are session limits to keep in mind. Your cloud PC will automatically disconnect after about 1 hour and 15 minutes of use. After that, you can return to your dashboard and request another session again when available. The high-speed connection, which can reach up to 1 gigabit per second depending on server conditions, helps with downloading and streaming large files more efficiently. Once your VM is ready, the dashboard will show a username, password, and an address under the option called My Instances. Open that file using Remote Desktop Connection, which is already built into Windows. When prompted for login details, use the username and password shown on your 2Z2 dashboard. If you ever forget your password, just click Connect again, and the pop-up will display your current credentials at the bottom left corner. Sometimes, you may need to type the password manually, so keep that in mind. After logging in successfully, you'll see your Windows 10 desktop powered by a Tesla T4 GPU. At first glance, the desktop looks like a normal Windows 10 setup, but you might notice some applications already open. That's because 2Z2 uses pre-configured machine images to speed up VM creation. It doesn't mean the desktop is shared. Every user gets a fully isolated virtual environment. According to the developers, each machine runs as a separate instance on Azure infrastructure, meaning your environment is designed to remain private. Let's take a quick look at what's under the hood. Using the DirectX diagnostic tool, here are the specs we observed. Processor: Intel Xeon, 2.5 GHz, 8 cores, 16 threads, memory, RAM 32 GB DDR4, GPU, NVIDIA Tesla T4, 16 GB VRAM, storage, dynamic Azure disk, allocated for your session, operating system, Windows 10 Pro 64-bit. That's a configuration comparable to Microsoft Azure's N-series GPU instances, which typically cost several dollars per hour. Here, you're getting access to similar performance within the platform's free usage limits. We also ran a few network tests to check stability. Upload speeds reached up to 1 gigabit per second under optimal conditions. This level of bandwidth allows for fast downloads and smooth streaming, although performance may vary depending on your location since the primary data center is based in the US East region. A lot of people wonder if free cloud PCs or RDPs are actually safe. According to the developers, 2Z2 runs on isolated virtual machines with no shared session access. Each VM operates in its own sandbox, similar to enterprise-grade Azure infrastructure. Now here's the part most people don't realize. This is just scratching the surface. In the next video, I'm going to push this even further. I'll show you how to actually use the cloud gaming side, test real games, and see how far this setup can really go under pressure. And trust me, the results might surprise you. If you're into finding tools like this and actually using them the right way, you'll want to stick around for what's coming next. Because the next one? That's where it starts getting interesting.